Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, let me go to my Facebook, and once I'm over here, this is how the interface gonna look like. Now I'm gonna be going to the menu right over here, and then if I see that Marketplace is just right over here for me to be using that. Now if I don't see that place and if it's not working for me, the first thing I'm going to be doing is going to my app store and going to search bar and typing in Facebook instead. Once I do that, I will find my Facebook right over here, and if it needs update, I'm going to tap on update and update it, because that can be the reason why I'm not accessing, because my app is simply not up to date for it to function like how it is doing right now with the Marketplace option. Now once I have done so, you can see I'm going to be going back to my app, and then I'm going to go to settings. Then I'm going to go to this option of tab bar and then customize the tab bar, and I'm going to see if my Marketplace is pinned or not available. These are like auto. If I have simply make it hide, then my Marketplace will be hidden. See, now it's gone and it's replaced by the profile. So if I want it to be available, I'm going to tap on hidden, I'm going to tap on pin, and now it's right over there. So that's how easy it is for you to be doing so. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.